thank you for joining us for another update on MarkTwainZephyr.com, also our Facebook page and Twitter at Mark Twain Zephyr. I'm Robert Tabor, your Director of Passenger Development here with the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad, and it is Wednesday, December the 23rd, 2020, just a couple days until Christmas, and we have an update for you. We're going to check in with Bob, who is in the back of the Tom Sawyer, the car just right in front of me, behind the camera here, as he's putting some finishing touches on some of the woodwork. Bob, what's the latest?
Oh, here we are once again, the Friday update.
All right, on Wednesday.
Just as we said on the last one, we're almost done. All the wood is in.
It is. So pan around here, take a look. Wow. So in the last week, you've done all this wood paneling going all the way around.
No, let's not cheat them out. Show them underneath there where the lights are. That's the hard part.
Oh, you finished that too?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
You got to show them the little circles up front.
Okay. Oh. Can we turn the headlights off here?
No, they're all hardwired.
Oh, it's all together. Okay.
Yeah, it's
because we took some night pictures. Well, I'll put those up over the screen here in just a minute. I have those separately, so we can show you what it looks like.
Early part of next week, all the electrical will be separated on dimmers.
Okay. So those are little lights under there, and then eventually the table.
Yep.
You just got to put the table in here.
Yeah, but it's actually going to come out pretty far.
Really?
Well, it's going to flare out because of these brackets here.
Okay, so it'll go as far as...
You know, it's going to kind of come out a little bit past here and then flare out.
Okay.
Far enough to pass out.
And will that match the same oak?
Yep, it'll be all oak.
Okay.
Be a series of boards glued together. It'll be all solid oak.
Perfect.
These here, too, will be the same.
And as I know you're going to work the rest of this week and then next week to get this done?
Correct.
So then when we come back, we'll maybe send us some pictures, but this will all be done by the first of the year.
I don't know about the tables.
Yeah.
I mean, but...
pretty much everything else.
Next week, the baseboard, the heat will be in on this side.
Wow.
So,
but that is the color that it's going to be, the top and the windows and the bottom.
This is what all the dust is from. Just these here pieces.
So what are you working on? Oh, you're gonna put some nice trimming down here too.
Yeah, this here is called cut to fit.
Okay.
It'll cut right over the top of that.
Wow.
Up there. Like a so.
And you're gonna do that. That's what you're gonna do the rest of today.
Well, I gotta finish making them. They're all cut out of.
Oh, okay. Handmade. Look at that. Wow.
I can tell you, it won't take long to do that other side with all of the sills and everything. That'll go real straight, real fast. Everything is straight, no curves.
Okay, so it's a little harder because of the
curves are nice.
Yes.
Not in woodwork.
Yes. So it'll be a lot easier because it will be not the round end observation.
Everything is. I can make one, use it for a template for the sills, and it'll be the same all the way through.
Okay. And you're really going to come in on Friday on Christmas Day.
Absolutely.
And we had one viewer write in from Earl, and she wants to know if you would do the dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy for her.
Sorry, folks.
The Nutcracker? So what else do we have to do in here? We got the speaker. We had one that it almost looks like the lighting design, but it's actually the original pattern of the speaker.
Oh, the speaker cover. That's
do you have it? You want to show people? We got a minute?
It looks like a giant shower drain.
And Greg, our owner, looked at some original pictures that we found from the Newberry Library in Chicago, and he reconstructed what the original one looked like. Just from drawings. So some of our research that we do in Chicago helps, and we'll put that in there. Pretty cool.
You know, this wall is going to get painted. We're going to real quick here. We'll be into the bathrooms and tiling all of that.
All right.
Until after I come back on somewhere around the 12th or the 15th
of January. Okay.
January. But once that's started, that'll go really fast.
All right. Well, have a great Christmas. I know everybody out there wishes you a Merry Christmas too, and We'll check back with you, I guess, in January 2021.
I'll send you some pictures on Christmas Day.
All right, to prove that you were here on Friday. Okay.
Right.
All right. All right, Bob, thank you so much for that update, and we want to wish you, on behalf of everybody here at the Wisconsin Great Northern Railroad, a very Merry Christmas in just a couple days. Our crew today is the last full day of most of our crew being here. They're going to be taking some time off and enjoying some time with their families for about the next week and a half, thanks to our wonderful owners who are giving us some holiday time off. We will have updates for you, though, on Sundays, the 27th and also the 3rd. We have some special updates for you that you'll want to see that have been pre-recorded, and we'll be back soon with more live updates.